In this video, we will review Repurpose.io for the USA. Repurpose.io is a powerful platform designed for content creators and marketers to streamline process and distribute videos, podcasts and other medias across multiple platforms. The tool automatically converts content into various formats, saving you time and effort by allowing creators to share their work on social media, YouTube, podcast directories and more with minimal effort. Its intuitive interface users can easily set up workflows to convert every single video or podcast into a bite-sized clip or even blog post. One of its standout features is the ability to repurpose content on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, enabling seamless distribution to a wider audience. Repurpose.io is especially helpful for creators who want to maintain a consistent content presence over various channels without having to reinvent the wheel each time. Whether you're looking to expand your reach or simply automate repetitive tasks, Repurpose.io offers efficient and solutions for maximizing your value of your content. Sign up with the link in the description now to get a 90-day free trial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.